Hello guys, welcome to Investment Tech YouTube channel. Today I'm going to talk about how to import eBay listing to Bonanza site. Right guys, I'm going back to my site. So going to selling dashboard. You can see I'm not connected to eBay site. Your eBay account is not fully connected. Update you eBay connection. Like guide, I have to follow steps, then see how we can import from eBay to Bonanza. They charge only 3.5 fee rate. Okay, you can see Amazon they charging 20% for this amount. Amazon charge 20%. eBay charges 12%, 10 to 12%. They're charging for final value fee. And Bonanza they charge 3.5. You can see more details about the advertising rate fees. Alright, here maximum advertising rate you selected. You can pick a rate of 9%, 13%, 19% or 30%. Higher rates mean more buyers visit from Google Shopping. They have pretty powerful Google Ads system. Then you can select, or if you like 9% or maybe 13, 19, 30. Okay, that's about the compare with the ads and selling pieces. Okay, I go back to my site, Bonanza selling dashboards. So you can see both setting, both status, billing statement. So eBay has eBay management payment setting already. So Bonanza has a PayPal system with the new items as we finish each batch. I want to know more about read eBay import guides. All about the eBay import, so you can find out any important details, then you can follow the guides. So I back to the site. Okay, I'm going to connect your eBay account, I mean my eBay account. You won't see the setup guide. Yeah, same thing, I did that Amazon. I click the link, then going to you have to put your eBay name and a password, then sign in. It's going to be connect Bonanza. Remove all the items that were removed, expire or ended or any reason on eBay. So I keep only remove the item were sold or ended or eBay. Do not remove when expired. That's important. So anything happen Amazon, eBay, so you're gonna be remove all the items. So that's why you have to keep only remove item that was sold or ended on eBay. Do not remove when expired. So anything happen from eBay, Amazon or any other site, don't worry about the Bonanza site. You already have the pictures listing item. That's a cool thing. Otherwise you have to take all the pictures from beginning. You know how hard is 500,000 item get back to pictures from beginning. That's why this is a cool system. So I keep the only remove item when sold. Discount prices by 1%. I keep that for now. Item prices and status. Okay, I keep discount prices. Boost traffic. That's good for the boost traffic for your item. I keep it that, and pretty much good. Then I'm going to connect eBay account. Alright guys, I put the password and everything connected. Now grant application access Bonanza. Okay, you have to read that policy, so I don't have to read now the policy. And by clicking agree button, then it's gonna be agree. Alright, import items from eBay. Bonanza can import that item you have for sales on eBay to your Bonanza bot. Okay, alright, everything connected now. You can see import new item only. So far only one item, there's already had one. It's going to be a few hours and then I can see the whole item, then I'll show you guys. Okay, now I can see successfully they added 198 item from eBay. You can see that item, my listing from eBay. Okay, that's cool thing, less than 5 minutes they added 198. So I already have almost 400 item from eBay. Going to be another 5 minutes, I can see whole item from eBay to Bonanza. Oh, I like that cool system. That's pretty much about the system. I love it. Then you can do it yourself. That's detail about today video. If you like the video, please like and subscribe Innocent Tech YouTube channel. Get more videos in the future. Thank you. Have a great day.